In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Duo Mobile. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see a colorful icon that resembles a shopping bag with the Google Play logo inside. This is where you can find a vast array of applications for your device. A simple tap on the icon will take you to a world of apps designed for various purposes. Once the store loads, you will notice a search bar at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to finding specific applications quickly. Next, search for Duo Mobile. In the search bar, type in Duo Mobile using your device's keyboard. As you type, you may see suggested applications appear below the search bar. This feature helps you find what you need faster. It is essential to ensure you are downloading the correct app, as there may be other apps with similar names. Look for the app developed by Cisco Systems Inc. This ensures you are getting the official version, which is crucial for security and functionality. Now, select Duo Mobile by Cisco Systems Inc. Once you see the app in the search results, tap on it. This action will take you to the apps page where you can find more information about its features and user reviews. It is always good practice to read through the reviews as they provide insights from other users. This can help you understand how the app works and its reliability. From there, tap Install. This button is usually green and located near the top of the app page. When you tap this button, the app will begin downloading to your device. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. It is important to have a stable internet connection at this point to ensure a smooth download process. Once the app downloads, it will automatically install, preparing it for use on your device. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Be patient during this step as it is essential for the app to be fully downloaded and installed. You will receive a notification upon completion. This notification ensures that you are ready to move on to the next step without any interruptions. Next up, tap Open. After the installation is complete, you will see an option to open the app right from the Google Play Store. Tapping this will launch Duo Mobile for the first time. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Opening the app is an exciting moment, as you are now ready to set it up for your specific needs. After that, follow your organization's setup instructions or scan the QR code provided by your school or employer to activate the app. This step is crucial as it links the app to your organization's security system. Make sure you have the QR code accessible, as this is often the fastest way to set up your account. Following the instructions carefully will ensure that your Duo mobile app functions properly, keeping your account secure. That wraps up the download and setup process for Duo Mobile. You have successfully installed the app and are now ready to use it. This app is an essential tool for enhancing your security, especially when accessing sensitive information. Remember, keeping your account secure is important in today's digital world. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Duo Mobile.